Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to try building a Crud application. Create, read, update, delete in Oracle Apex using a pop-up form UI/UX design. But before we begin, let's briefly discuss what Oracle Apex actually is. Oracle Apex, or Oracle Application Express, is a low-code platform developed by Oracle that allows us to create web-based applications quickly, directly from a browser, and already connected to Oracle's database. With Oracle Apex, we don't need to set up additional frameworks like in traditional from-scratch web apps unless you need highly complex features. In Oracle Apex, you just log into the Apex workspace, and from there, you can start building your app according to your needs. If you're interested in exploring Oracle Apex in more depth, let us know in the comments section, and we'll make a dedicated video for it. Alright, let's get into the hands-on part. Here are the steps to create a Crud app with a pop-up form in Oracle Apex. First, log into your Oracle Apex workspace. Create a new application. Go to App Builder. Create new application. Let's name it Angulic Apps. Then click the Create Application button. The app is now ready to be developed. Create a table to store the data. Go to SQL Workshop Object Browser. Click on the Tables menu to create a new table. Fill in the table configuration. For example, I'll name this table Products, meaning we'll create a master product data table. Now let's add the columns. Column ID with data type number, which we'll set as the primary key. Column description with data type varchar2 will define the character length here, say 50 characters. Column category, also with data type varchar2, and we'll set the length to 20 characters. Final column created _date with data type timestamp. Click Create Table to finish. And there you go. The table is ready. Now we'll create the UI page. Head over to the App Builder. Enter the app we just created. Click on Create Page. Select Interactive Report. Enter a name. I'll call it Products. Turn on Include Form page for the form type. Select Modal dialog. Name the form, for example, Form Master Product. In the data source, choose the table to use. Click Next. Then create page. Done. The page is created. Let's run the app. Logging using the same username and password as your workspace. You'll immediately see the report page. When you click the Edit a Add button, a pop-up form will appear with fields matching the ones we defined in the table. Now let's test the basic Crud functions of our app. Click the Create button. Fill in the product data. Click Create, and the data appears in the report. Click the pencil icon to edit. Modify the data as needed. Click Apply Changes, and the data in the report updates successfully. Click the pencil icon again. Click Delete. A confirmation will pop up. Click Delete again, and yes, the data has been successfully deleted. The basic Crud functions are working perfectly. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe button if you found it helpful, and click the ring bell icon to keep us motivated to share more insightful tech content. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next video.